I'm not allowed to go to Grandma's house anymore without my mommy. I was visiting when she had a lot of people over, and apparently I did something very bad and embarrassing. I found a basket of toys in her bedroom and brought one downstairs to the party. It was all going fine until I bit a part that made it turn on. It started making a noise and shaking, so I got scared and threw it. Grandma was horrified when she saw what I had, and all her guests were shocked and started laughing. Grandma picked me and the toy up and locked us in the bedroom. She sent everyone home and called my mommy to come get me right away.